this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we're here today. We are going to be doing a pom-pom manicure on one of the nails. We have this beautiful, beautiful blue by Joe Beauty. It is called DD118 Bellissimo Blue. It is just gorgeous. True to color. True to color. There is 2 coats on the nails. We're going to be putting the pom-pom here. We're going to be doing a snowflake manicure as well with the foil here. Some little snowflake charms and some bling. So we're going to start doing the foils. Get my top mat to stay still. I'm using Joe Beauty's nail foil glue, which I firmly believe in. I'm not an ambassador. I just love the product. You can find it on Amazon. Put you a liberal amount on, gets your sidewalls covered. Pop her in the lamp. Oops. 45 seconds is your optimal setting for it. My lamps don't have a 45-second setting, so try to catch it in between if you can. You don't want to put both nails in at one time. You need to put the foil on straight out of the lamp. But I think this blue is just beautiful. I love Joe Beauty's products. They've always got a 60% off sale going. And I bought, what did I buy recently? This is one I bought recently, Sapphire, CE40 Sapphire. I'm loving this color as well. It's in the 5D cat eye, so you can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong. So we're going to get our foil. Oh, I'm so nervous. I want to get full coverage. Push this down over the nail. I'm going to get my silicone tool and start rubbing. Rub, rub, rub. Do the tip here first. Definitely want full coverage, foil coverage here. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. I've seen some girls put it on and just go peel it off and it works. I myself have not had that experience or that luck. I've not had that luck. So I'm gonna rub, rub, rub. That's not a full coverage nail. This really bums me out. Oh, this bums me out. I've not had this happen with my Methods foil glue. I always got full coverage. Oh, this is such a bummer. Such a bummer. Try to do this side here. Okay, so it's stuck. One nail done. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, any important information I feel you may need. Rub, rub, rub. Silicone tool out again. Start rubbing the nail from cuticle to tip. Sidewall to sidewall. Sorry if I'm out of frame. Just trying to get my foil to stick. Trying for a full coverage nail here. So let's take it again. And we're gonna have the same problem again, it looks like. Let me try using my nail. Not exactly. Oh, buddy. Our nail popped off the stand. I'm gonna put the foil on again, try doing some more rubbing. Foil is not working. It's lost its stickability here. So unfortunately, that is it. That one did not pan out. Unfortunately. For the pom-pom, I bought these off AliExpress. For the container, all that's included was like 11 bucks. Including shipping, I think. Pretty sure including shipping. Get many uses out of it. It does come with the magnets. So I'm going to use my Modelones rhinestone gel glue. Just put a little dollop. I keep feeling like somebody's at my door. I'm just going to put a little dollop right here. Clean your guiding tool off or whatever you are using. Try to get all your fur out of the way. I'm gonna pop her in the lamp, give it a 60-second full cure. The other two nails, we're gonna be putting some snow and bling on them. So I'm using my Gel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat. I love, love, love it. I do love their products. It's great with the 60. The last order I did was 70% off. So you can't beat that. We got acrylics, dip powders, acrylic / dip powders. They have got all kinds of nail art, so check them out. Gel Beauty, there's usually a 60% off code that you can get off of Facebook or Instagram. Probably should have used the rhinestone glue to hold this puppy on too. Probably should. We're going to add this little bit of bling down the center of the nail. Here we go. Gonna pop her in the lamp. Okay, we are back. I have got the base magnet stuck. You just pop your pom-pom on. And I think that is too cute. Now remember, when you do dishes, wear gloves, take the pom-pom off. When you shower, take the pom-pom off. And I think that looks really cute. Really cute. So we're going to take our nail out of the lamp. We've got one more left to do. And I'm going to lose my mind. Get my top coat going on here. But I'm the only person I know that can sit still and lose things. Get our snowflake. Get us some bling. And pop her in the lamp for a full 60-second cure. And these are really cute. Love the charms there by Charlie's Nail Art Supply out of the UK. I am an ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. Nailed it 10. All caps. We're almost finito, folks. Almost done. So I think so far this has turned out really nice. Had a little problem with the foils. Oh, I forgot to top coat them. Take that nail off. Don't forget, top coat all your nails. Okay. Let me do this for a 60-second full cure, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp with our pom-pom slash snowflake manicure. These just turned out really well. These can be found again on AliExpress. I'm sure you can find them on Amazon as well. Our snowflakes here come from Charlie's Nail Art. Foil was AliExpress. And we got our bling. And our polish was from iGel Beauty. Just jumping here at the end. I didn't watch the whole video. We had a little bit of mishap with the foil, not wanting to do a complete transfer. So that was a mishap. We got our pom-pom nail here. Excuse me. I think that turned out really cute. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified about future videos, giveaways, any important information you may need to know. Well, that is it for today. We will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.